Once upon a time, in the land of South Africa, there lived a man who would become an icon of courage, resilience, and justice. His name was Nelson Mandela. Born on July 18, 1918, in the village of Mvezo, he was destined to become a leader who would bring about significant change in his nation and inspire the world. Nelson Mandela grew up in a divided society, where racial discrimination and oppression were deeply rooted. As a young man, he became actively involved in the struggle against apartheid, a system that enforced racial segregation and denied basic human rights to the majority black population. Mandela was a strong advocate for equality and justice, believing that all people, regardless of their skin color, deserved equal opportunities and freedom. In his pursuit of justice, Mandela joined the African National Congress, ANC, and became an influential member of the organization. He tirelessly fought against apartheid, organizing protests, strikes, and civil disobedience campaigns. Mandela's commitment to justice led to his arrest in 1962. He was charged with treason and sentenced to life imprisonment. For the next 27 years, Mandela endured harsh conditions and confinement on Robben Island, a notorious prison. Despite the hardships, he never wavered in his belief in a democratic and non-racial South Africa. Mandela became a symbol of hope, not only for his fellow prisoners but also for the entire nation. His resolve and unwavering spirit inspired people around the world who stood against injustice. In 1990, after long years of international pressure and internal struggles within South Africa, the government finally released Nelson Mandela. The world watched in awe as he walked out of prison, a free man. Mandela's release marked the beginning of a new era in South Africa. Mandela took up the mantle of leadership once again, this time as the president of the ANC. He played a crucial role in negotiating an end to apartheid and promoting a peaceful transition to democracy. Mandela, along with other leaders, worked tirelessly to establish a new South Africa based on equality and reconciliation. In 1994, the dream Mandela and many others had fought for became a reality. South Africa held its first non-racial democratic elections, and Nelson Mandela emerged as the country's first black president. His presidency was marked by a commitment to healing the wounds of the past and building a united nation. Mandela advocated for forgiveness, unity, and reconciliation, knowing that these were essential for South Africa's progress and long-term stability. During his time as president, Mandela focused on combating poverty, improving education, and promoting racial harmony. His leadership and statesmanship earned him respect and admiration globally. Mandela became a beacon of hope, a symbol of triumph over adversity, and a living testament to the power of forgiveness and reconciliation. After his presidency, Mandela continued to champion causes close to his heart, such as HIV/AIDS awareness and human rights. He established the Nelson Mandela Foundation, which sought to continue his legacy of social justice and equality. Despite his advancing age, Mandela remained an influential figure, inspiring generations with his wisdom and vision. On December 5, 2013, Nelson Mandela passed away, leaving behind an indelible legacy of courage, compassion, and resilience. His life serves as a constant reminder that one person can make a profound difference in the world. Nelson Mandela's story continues to inspire people to fight against injustice and strive for a better, more inclusive society, where all are treated with dignity and respect.